Today, we're going to be unboxing, testing, and reviewing the new Beautiful by Drew Barrymore Cookware set. So this is the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore 12-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set. I got this set for $129 at Walmart. Altogether, it came up to about $150 including tax, which made it super affordable and easy to buy. The pot set comes with an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, 3/4 saute pan, 2/4 saucepan, 5/4 Dutch oven, and 4 cookware protectors. I got the set in the icing white, which is basically a cream sort of pot set color, and the handles were gold, which I really liked. Super aesthetic looking. The inside of the pots were gray, which is good because it helps me see burn marks. The biggest con for me is the fact that there aren't enough tops for all the pans and the pots. It doesn't sound like a big deal, but for me, I make a lot of sauces and I make a lot of gravies, and sometimes you need those tops to kind of help you concentrate that flavor and, you know, get your water going or just kind of thicken your sauce. So I didn't like that. I don't know why pot people do this or why the people who make these pots don't include like tops, or a lot of them. But whatever, I can just use them, use the other tops and put them on top of each other. Otherwise, I am loving the aesthetic, the look. I love the white. I know it's going to stain, but I love it so far. And the price was on point. I got it for $129, and it ended up being all in $150, including tax and shipping. First, we're going to do what I call the egg test. The egg test is basically an exercise to check and see whether or not this set is actually non-stick. Now, this matters because this is the whole reason I got this set. If you look at my old pots, they're really bad. You can tell that it's a lot of food stuck on the bad boys, and somehow, some way, I need to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So we're gonna do the egg test, and I'm pretty sure since it's a new set, it shouldn't have any issues being non-stick, but let's find out. Test the heat retention, meaning is this set able to retain heat, especially since my stove is a gas stove. I don't plan on babying this set. I need to make sure that it's durable enough, at least for 2 years at the very least, until I get my house and get my real pot set, my liquid set. I need to make sure that this pot set is durable and able to withstand a good amount of heat. Now, I'm not going to put it on, high heat, because I know that you have to, work and break through your pot sets. But I am going to be testing it with the water test to see how quickly it boils, to make sure that it can retain heat well and that it can stand up to the gas burner, which is extremely important. Quick note here, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, do not be shy and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Here I chat all things wine and lifestyle, so that's anything from wine to food to homemaking to just living life in New York City. So if you're interested, be sure to like and subscribe. guys, I am not a hand wash my dishes in the sink type of girl. It's just not the way I choose to live my life. That's what I have a dishwasher for. What I really want to test is this pot set, is this cookware set dishwasher safe? Now the good thing is the manufacturer does say it is dishwasher safe, but I gotta find out and I have to make sure because I did not plan on hand washing these dishes. I told you guys before, I do not plan on babying this set. I have to be able to cook, get done what I need done, and go about my business. You know what? So far so good. I think I'm really gonna like this set, and I think it is gonna hold me over until I have the money to invest in something that's actually worthwhile. I'll let you guys know how it looks in about a few months to see if it's holding up, but so far so good. I should have seasoned this. I don't even like eggs for real. That's it for me today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.